Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set the expected revenue for a deal in Salesflare? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set the expected revenue for a deal in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably managing a lot of different projects and potential deals. So if you can set the expected revenue, you can give priority to different deals that you're currently working on. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set a value on one of the deals you're working on, here on the left side, you're going to click on opportunities. Okay, once you click there, you can see all the deals you're currently working on. So if you simply want to change the deal value for a deal you're working on, you're going to click into the deal. So you can see this one is potentially worth $50,000. So I'll click into it, and then off to the right, you're going to see the deal value right here, and you can click on edit. Once you click there, you can go ahead and set the value. So let's say they drop their budget down to 40,000, and then we're going to click on save. Now, if you're going to set the deal value for a new deal, what you're going to do is close this out, and we're going to add a new deal by clicking on the plus icon down here on the bottom right. Click on opportunity. Okay, now you can go ahead and set up a new deal, and to set the value, it's going to be right down here, value. So for me, I generally set this at the complete billable amount. So for example, if I'm working with a client and it's potentially billable for 5,000, I'm going to set it at 5,000. However, of that 5,000, if you're going to have to pay out $4,000 to contractors, you can put this as $1,000 as potential complete profit, but that's really up to you on how you want to track your deals. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to set the expected revenue for a deal in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.